Karim Badawi, Schlumberger Managing Director for Egypt, Sudan, and East Mediterranean. I am extremely proud of all the collaboration and teamwork from all the oil and gas sector in Egypt under the leadership of His Excellency Engineer Tariq Al-Mullah, Minister of Petroleum and Mineral Resources, in providing assistance to the Egypt Ministry of Health and all the Egypt population in combating COVID-19. All the sector have worked together as one team to provide medical supplies to help fight this disease, and I would like to take this opportunity to remind all of us that COVID-19 is still a reality. We still have to remain vigilant and to make sure that we continue exercising all the preventative measures, and especially making sure that we continue wearing masks, that we continue to make sure we have proper physical distancing, and also the frequent washing of the hands. I am confident that by continuing working together, we can fight this pandemic, and we can help to make sure that we keep everyone safe for their health, for themselves, and for their families and loved ones. Thank you.